Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to share the use of artificial intelligence AI tools like Chat, GPT, Gemini, Copilot, among many, to design case studies for trainees in the ongoing development of learning guide. Kindly note that the case studies make learning practical, relevant, and competency based. I'll guide you through some 7 steps process with examples and prompts you can directly copy and adapt. So the very first case here we are saying, I'm going to take an example in agriculture and extension on the learning outcome, implement the green ammonia fertilizer safety measures. So the first thing that you need to be able to do is to define your learning objective. So the learning objective is well defined. Remember, AI works best when you give it a clear target outcome. Always start by stating the competency the case study or learning context should address. For example, the competency that I may desire is that the trainee should be able to apply safety in handling green ammonia fertilizer. And therefore, the first step that I should be able to do is to prompt, the AI to be able to define for me these desired results. Step number 2, you generate the contextual scenario. So you type a context reality of what you expect to see or read in the case study. Here, in most cases, we assume that there's no AI. So you put down the context that you'd like to read. For example, I'll tell the AI generate a case study of a medium scale maize farm in Kenya facing challenges with fertilizer application and sustainability. So that is a context. So I had the results. I have created a context for the case study. And then you go to step number 3, where you develop or you design the character and the roles. In the case study, there will be roles, there will be characters. Therefore, you need, for example, tell the AI, create a farmer character who is hesitant about adopting green ammonia fertilizer due to safety concerns. So after you have developed the character, then step number 4 is introduce the problem or challenge. Remember, in most cases, we are using the case study as a way of bringing a problem and showing how it requires to be solved. For example, you can bring a problem about safety incidents with fertilizer handling, or environmental complaint with fertilizer runoff, or a cost benefit. So remember, the problem will also be guided by the desired results. So once you have introduced the problem, then come to step number 5, where you generate the guiding questions. So these guiding questions will be the reflection questions that the trainee requires to be able to gain from your case study. For example, they need to understand what safety measures were overlooked. They need to tease out what should the extension officer advise a farmer. So you're the one to guide the AI into the direction that you want. The number 6, you can add in data or evidence. So AI can stimulate data, report, or observation that can be able to make your case study more authentic. Then finally, you can adapt it now for the assessment. So I've summarized those cases here. So step number 1, define the objectives. So in the defining the objectives, this is what I'm going to prompt the AI to do. So tell the AI, trainees should be able to apply safety in handling the green ammonia fertilizer. Context, generate a case study of a medium-scale maize farm in Kenya facing challenges. So all this is what I'm going to prompt my AI to do. So ensure that you write proper prompts so that the AI can be able to guide. Remember we say the quality of your case study as given by the AI depends on the clarity of your prompt. Start simple, refine, and adapt to your learner's need. So I'll copy this prompt the way it is. I just copy, and then I'll go to the AI tool that I'm using. In this case, just using the normal on the chart, and I'll just Control V paste. And then I press enter and wait for the response. So here is the response. The case study, and this is how it is. So Motiso, 42-year-old medium maize farmer in Machakos County, Kenya. He manages 20 acres of maize, primarily rain-fed with some supplement irrigation. So all these aspects are there, okay, that are there. And then the guiding questions are here. The multiple choice questions are here. So in this case, you can be able to copy this particular work that you have as it is, and then you can be able to paste it into a new Word document of your choice. Control V. Always Control V so that you're able to bring it with the format, and then you can read it again, and refine it to fit into your context. So let the AI guide you, not guide you, but assist you and support you to bring that. So the key point is prompt the AI. Thank you.